Good morning, everyone. My name is Ahumuza Andrew. I'm from Uganda in East Africa, and I chose to come to New Zealand because of more opportunity here. I studied the New Zealand Diploma in Information Technology Technical Support, Level 5 with NZSE. It covered topics like operating systems, IT support management, web design, database, application, security fundamentals, programming. I chose NZSE as my provider because their program is practical and aligned with real industry skills. I enjoyed the practical learning the most during my program. The practical learning made the theory much easier to understand and memorize. I liked the way after the teachers finished explaining the notes or the modules, they always ask if any of us had a question. You know, that's not something I used to see my teachers do back in the country. I am currently doing an internship at an electronics repair shop here in Auckland. I do basic troubleshooting, device setup, software installations, and customer support tasks. NZSE prepared me for that internship by giving me the practical skills. I learned how to troubleshoot step by step, communicate with users, document issues. The people here are very friendly. That's what my mom told me all the time. She told me, you don't meet mean people here, and I've not met any so far. So I'll be returning to NZSE to study the Bachelor's of Business Information Management degree. One should consider a career in tech because there is high demand. Technology jobs are growing and needed everywhere in the world. Another reason would be good career growth. You can start from simple tasks like IT support all the way to networking, cloud computing, cybersecurity, data analysis, software engineering, just many things that you could do. And finally, it is practical and rewarding. Many technology jobs are practical and rewarding. You get to solve problems and help people on a daily basis.